Welcome back to a special edition of Kerry's Kitchen. This morning I would like to do some breakfast tapas. And today is my favourite. They say that this particular fruit was the reason that Eve and Adam were kicked out of the Garden of Eden. It wasn't an apple, it was a beautiful, humble fig. Look at that. I love figs. I love figs and cheese. Today I'm going to bring you stuffed figs with blue cheese and prosciutto. Let me show you how to do it. To get it started, I'm going to first need my baking pan. I'm going to put some baking paper into it. Now before I put the baking paper in it, I just want to splash a little bit of water in there because that's going to stop the baking paper from moving around. I've got my fig and I've got my knife and I'm just going to slice the top of it. Slice the top into 4. Just slowly put in some blue cheese. It's very simple. You're going to have to get your fingers in there. Okay, so that's pretty well stuffed. Prosciutto. I've got some beautiful pieces of prosciutto. I've got them and I've sliced them, I've cleaned them up, and I'm just going to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it around and I'm going to get it to come to a point where I can stick myself an easy toothpick. Make that go through, and there it is, sitting there all ready to go. Now I'm going to grab my pan and sit that in there like that. Next I'm going to put the rest of them in, put them all together. Now put this in the oven on 150 for about 10-15 minutes. Let's have a look. Got my glove on because pot's going to be hot. Oh look, that's looking absolutely fantastic. I'm going to turn the oven off. That's looking good. Alright, let's plate it up. All ready to dish up. Put a little bit of garnish on it. Put some roasted pumpkin seeds that I have done earlier. I'm just going to pull these out. They're smelling fantastic. Look, they really are looking good. You've got to be really gentle because they're really, really soft. There you have it. Figs stuffed with blue cheese wrapped with prosciutto. It's a beautiful meal. Enjoy. Thank you very much. I hope you like your breakfast tapas. Figs, blue cheese, wrapped with prosciutto. Thank you. Have a great week.